Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Audacity as a beginner. So I'm assuming you've already set up your microphone or have it set up in your Audacity preferences. So to get started, it's pretty straightforward. You have your playback controls and recording controls here at the top, your meters here at the right, and your timestamps here at the bottom. So I'm going to click on record and record a short voiceover real quick. Mic check. This is a sample voiceover. And if you want to stop recording, simply click on the stop button. And now you have your play and pause. So if you'd like to listen to what you've recorded, simply click on the place where you'd like to start here in the UI. Press space. Mic check. This is a sample voiceover. And press space again to stop. You can also add more audio tracks. So say I have another mono track here, and then I'm going to record another track below. This is a sample voice audio recording. So now I have two tracks that I can move around very freely. And this is useful if you are, for example, adding background music to a voiceover or maybe sound effects to a voiceover. So that's how you would do so. You can also highlight by holding left click, and you can do things like copy a certain section, paste it, or you can also delete certain sections. So sometimes when I'm doing some voice work, what I would do to clean up the audio is I would highlight the empty portions of the recording, just cut out some dead air and some background noise. So if we play that again, mic check. This is a sample voiceover. This just makes it a lot easier to work with in other editing tools like maybe Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. You can also mute certain tracks. So say I have this muted. Now, what's the only thing you're going to be able to hear is the track below it. So if I record something here, for example, this is the second audio track. And this is the second audio track. This is the second audio track. As you can hear, only the second audio track is audible. You can also click on the solo, which is useful if you're working with more than two. And what this does is it will automatically mute everything else, all the other audio tracks, except for the one you want to listen to. You can also adjust the volume of your audio tracks by adjusting it here at the left side. As you can see, it says volume. If I want to lower it, it's too loud. And if I want to raise it, I can do it that way. So let's listen to this first track. The volume changed. Mic check. This is a sample voiceover. So you can look at the meters here at the top right. I usually like to keep my voice between -6 and 0 or -12 and 0, but not too close to 0, usually around -12 to -3. Mic check. This is a sample voiceover that usually is the most comfortable for me. Mic check. This is a sample voiceover. So that's how to get started using Audacity. Those are pretty much the basics of recording, playback, and some mixing. So I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.